As in the first video, we have gone through the first phase of photosynthesis. So I told you in the next video, we'll be moving towards the non-cyclic flow. Okay. So today we are going with the non-cyclic flow. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay. So what happened in this process? Let me highlight some points. Like absorption of light by PS2 and its electron get excited. Okay. First of all, light absorbed by the PS2, photosystem 2. Absorption of light by photosystem 2, then electron get excited. Fine. After that here when electron get excited, so what process will take place? Photolysis of water take place, means breakdown of water. Photolysis of water will take place, and that what happened? Like electron will flow from PS2 to PS1. Electron, I'll be showing with the whole cyclic diagram too. First of all, let me highlight the points. Flowing of electron from PS2 to PS1. इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होते हैं कहाँ से PS2 से PS1 के पास. So light absorption by PS2 is electron excited. Then the electron which are flowing to PS1, it will go to the NADPH. Okay, it is a pro-dominant pathway of light reaction. Pro-dominant pathway. What is it? Dominant. Now you might be thinking, what is this pathway? So this is basically the pro-dominant pathway, which is the continuous pathway. Continuous pathway. Mostly this pathway occurs, but sometimes when we do not get the more ATP as we have to get, so then the cyclic process happens. Otherwise, this is the continuous pathway which mostly happens. Okay, it occur in routine. ये routine में काम करता है every time. Occur in routine. And here what happened? Utilization of photosystem by PS1 and PS2. Okay, it involved two electron transport chain. यहाँ पे कितनी transport chains involved हैं? Two. One is PS1 and one is PS2. Involve two electron transport chain. दो electron transport chain इसके अंदर involve होती हैं. And अभी ये process कहाँ से शुरू होता है? It start from PS2 to flowing towards PS1. इलेक्ट्रॉन PS2 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और फ्लो करते हुए जाते हैं कहाँ? PS1 के पास. From PS2 and go to PS1. Okay, and then light reaction start from the absorption of light in PS2. Now here PS2 contain what? PS2 contain accessory pigments. Accessory pigments and reaction center. Reaction center. Now here accessory pigment includes like this. Here we have one PS2. This both side is accessory pigments. This one accessory side, where this is known as antenna. Antenna, where the accessory pigments are located. Like we can say xanthocarotenoids and chlorophyll B. These both are what? These both are accessory pigments. And if I talk about the reaction center, so here we have two chlorophyll A in dimer form from where the reaction will start. So this is the reaction center. So as this is basically the chlorophyll A molecule in the dimer form. From here the reaction will start. Fine. So the excited electron of PS2, जो PS2 का electron क्या होगा, excite होगा, so that is accepted by, right here, excited electron of PS2, PS2 का जो electron excite हो जाएगा, that is accepted by, उसको कौन accept करेगा, accepted by primary electron acceptor PEA, which is pheophytin, phenophytic. This is the primary electron acceptor of PS2. Okay, when this electron is accepted by phenophytic, then what happened, like wherever the photolysis of water will take place, like whenever the chlorophyll A from where the electron will leave, so from there to fill that chlorophyll A molecule, the photolysis of water will take place. Okay, now let me tell you about the little bit about photolysis of water. Yep. Photolysis of water. So here in the PS2 is associated with photolysis of water only. PS2 is associated, however PS1 is not associated with photolysis of water. Photolysis of water, and in the presence of light water is split. अभी light की presence के अंदर क्या होता है, water split होता है. Okay. In the presence of light, this water will split. Okay, when water will split, now here the main point is PS2 contain what? PS2 contain manganese clusters Z complex protein, okay, along with associated proteins. Now, photolysis of water. What does photolysis of water do? What is actually the work of photolysis? So the work of photolysis is basically donating the electron to PS2. PS2 को क्या कर देता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर देता है. Donating the electron to PS2. Okay, so I hope till that it is clear to you. In the next video we're gonna make the whole non-cyclic in the diagram form, and I'll explain you each and everything again. Okay, so bye bye.